Hello guys, Emeng here. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Well, I'm here. This is my vlog regarding my upcoming Audax ride. Uh, I'll be handling around 600 kilometers in the next 40 hours. So basically, as much as possible, Audax seems to be a heavy load, pero we will try to avoid it and minimize the things that we need to carry, and we'll just be bringing that stuff that we needed for the 40-hour 600 kilometers Audax ride. The reason why I'm doing this is because it's for the pre-qualification for the Paris-Brest-Paris, and then once I'm qualified, I'll be doing the super randonnée next year before um, July and August. So basically, it will be colder months of January, February, and March. Hopefully, I will be able to finish the super randonnée around May max. Yun lang. So, I'll pakita ko sa inyo ang how my setup will be look like. Ito ang aking Audax bag. It's made by Paradise. As you can see, meron siyang support sa ilalim. Ayan, para hindi gumagalaw yung bag. Although, this support can still manage bigger Audax bags. Pero for two days, tingin ko okay na siya. And then I have light here. I got mud guards. Although the weather seems to be dry but cloudy, just in case may wet areas, may wet roads, at least hindi ako madudumihan. Tapos, ito ang Brooks saddle ko, C17 Cambium. May dalawa akong bote. One will be for my smoothie, the other one will be for my water or with tablets. May extra water bottle ako doon, pero optional. Ito namang isa is for my nibbles. And I can also put a battery pack here. May power bank. And then, yung Garmin ko, may spare battery underneath. Tapos, ito namang front handlebar bag ko is all the repairs and like the tubes, inner tubes, tools, mini tools, pumps. At ito naman is for my light. I also have another cat eye as my spare. And then this one here is my blinker. So at least on siya while I'm riding. Pero merong isang malakas na ilaw for night ride. Start time will be 6 a.m. on Saturday, and then I have to finish it by 9 o'clock the next day, 9 o'clock in the evening the next day. Now, buksan natin kung anong mga dapat kong dalhin. Hello guys, I will show you what I have to bring on this journey tomorrow, as much as possible, which I think it will be useful for me. And I'm not underloading, I'm not overloading myself, because otherwise I will be struggling if I'm overloading too much, which is all the unnecessaries, or if I'll be underloading, magsasuffer din ako. Baka mamaya malamig, alam mo naman yun. So, I am bringing this gloves, the open finger ones, just in case medyo mainit At I will choose this gelled um, and padded gloves kasi long ride siya. Kaya dapat comfy yung kamay at saka walang stress and tension. Pag malamig naman, I have this one. Hindi siya medyo makapal pero good for an autumn ride. I have my sleeves, arm sleeves. I have the socks as a spare. I have my bib shorts with cargo pockets for my brevet and pen. I have my lock if in case I'll be going to the shop to buy something. I can lock it temporarily, but it should not be too long. I got my jersey. I got my rain jacket just in case my drizzle, pero the weather seems to be alright. And then I got my musette in case I will go and buy my food from in the shops. I also have my pump and of course my wallet for my ID, cash and debit cards. This one is a dry fit one which I'll be using after the ride because I booked a hotel. So I prefer a light t-shirt and a light running shorts with an inlay underneath, so you don't need to wear your undies. I got a antibacterial sports deodorizer for my shoes after the ride in case mabasa, so at least malinis yung shoes mo after, and then the next day you will be able to use it. I got my glasses, which is a photochromic one. So all you have to do, you don't need to bring any other glasses apart from this. It works well during a sunny day, and at the same time it clears up when it's nighttime. So you don't have to bring two glasses. Helmet ko, I use the light ones because I'll be riding at night. So as much as possible, you would like to be visible at night. I'll be bringing 3 bidons, one for my water and then 2 for my smoothies. I also have a power bank which will last for more than 2 days, I believe. There's also a spare battery on my Garmin. This one, 3 lights, 2 front lights which are strong enough for the evening. I think I'll be riding a maximum of around 6 hours at night. And then this one is for my helmet. This white light in front and red light in the rear. Then I have a pen for my brevet card signing and use. I also brought the Vaseline in case I need it, not because I need it somewhere, but I normally use it for my lips. And then Nurofen for headaches or muscle pains. And then worst scenario, if nature calls, I got this. For my tools, I'll just be bringing a multi-tool. I got 2 multi-tools. And then tire repair puncture kit, 2 inner tubes. And this is also important, the dry lube for my chain because I'll be riding 600 kilometers. And that's about it. So this one, all of them fits this luggages here. So I got 4 luggages, 2 pouches here for my food and nibbles, and power bank for a bidon, and then here for my tools, and this is where I will put my wallet for easy handling. Kasi hindi mo naman pansinin yan kung wala ka namang problema. And then this one is got a ample size space with two side pockets. There you go. The reason why I'm using this bike is because naka-disc brake na siya. And I believe this is a gravel geometry setup. Meaning, malaki yung tire na you can use. For now, I'm using 700 by 28. Pero, ang optimization nito for road tires will be 700 by 32. I think okay na yon. Accepted na yon. Yun lang naman ang reason. And para siyang tangke, to be honest. I cannot complain. Although mabigat siya with all the load and stuff. With the kind of gearing that you have here, which is 46 by 30 chain ring in front, and I have 1132 cassette at the back. So I think this will be sufficient enough to tackle the hills. Hindi naman siguro magtataas ang gradient niyan, but I am informed that it will be around 5,000 meters of elevation tomorrow. Added to this, guys, is naglagay ako ng mga reflector. It's just cheap. Rather than putting like a main accessory, I just put a stick-on reflectors. And all done by, I got it from veloviz.co.uk. It cost me probably $2.99 for all those strips. So thank you, Veloviz, for my safety. I think I'm ready for tomorrow. The only one that's ready yet is me. But I already know how to deal with riding long distances. I think around 312 kilometers, 320 that I rode on one go. So this time I'll be riding on my first night 350 kilometers, and then the next day will be 270 kilometers. But the total distance will be 615 kilometers in total. Yun ang sabi. So, wish me luck. And my next vlog will be the journey itself and how I feel. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'm really happy because the last vlog that I did already have 400 views. And as much as I would like to share it to the world, mas preferred ko na Filipinos yung makanood at first. But because the lingo, the language is, I'm struggling on which language to use. But I'm more comfortable on speaking Taglish because I would like to address it to our fellow comrades. But I also like to extend my experiences to everyone. So I hope you understand. Sometimes I speak Tagalog, my local, my national language back home, but I don't mind speaking English. Yun nga lang, there are instances that you would like to joke around, wherein it's better to use a Tagalog language than the English language. So until the next vlog, guys, thank you for all your support. I've been blogging for about nearly 6 months now. And I'm enjoying it because I'm sharing the passion. It's not because I would like to get rich. It will just be, that will be a good plus. But I would like to record everything that I'm doing because it means so much to me. Once I reach a certain age perhaps, and then I will nearly retire. Not nearly. And then if I'm planning to retire inside me, at least I have some memories intact that I can refer on in the future. So, thumbs up guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.